Lesson 6, CT Profit Adjustment and iXBRL. During this lesson, I'll show you how to access the profit adjustment computation within the PTP CT Platform product. I'll show you how to tag the individual items within the computation, and then show you how you can actually view the iXBRL comp within the product itself. The profit adjustment computation is accessed from page 2 of the CT600. So if I choose to view a CT600 return, click button 2 to access the page, you can see here the fanned page icon for question 3, Trading and Professional Profits, that gives you access to the backing schedule. If I click to select that, it takes me into the adjustment to profit screen. In the top right hand corner of the screen, you enter the profit per accounts, which you can also import from the PTP accounts production product. In the top left, you have the ability to deal with extended accounting periods, and this allows you to complete one set of profit adjustment pages, and it automatically time apportions the figures between the two accounting periods. As you progress down the page, you can enter all of your different disallowable items included within the accounts. And these top sections, which are highlighted in bold, are automatically tagged for you by the product for iXBRL because we know what they are. Each of the different boxes has a little ellipse button, and clicking that takes you into a schedule where you can give a more detailed breakdown, including a description and an amount. As we progress down the page, you move to a section which isn't predetermined, so you can add in your own descriptions. In order for these to be tagged correctly in the computation, you use the ellipse button, and here, if I select the button, we display a list of all of the different HMRC tags that could relate to that section of the profit adjustment comp. And you can simply scroll through till you find the one that's appropriate and select it from the list. Once you've selected it, the description changes and the amount is associated with that particular adjustment and will then be tagged for you for the purposes of the iXBRL computation. If I continue to scroll through, you also have access to our capital allowance computation. Again, via the ellipse button, it takes you into the backing schedule with a claims summary, details on pooled and non-pooled assets, and the assets tab where you enter in the relevant detail. So once you've made all of the entries within the profit adjustment computation and selected the appropriate iXBRL tag, you can close the page and it will automatically populate the rest of the return for you. To view the computation, you need to select the print option in the CT600 Returns tab. From here, you can choose to print the iXBRL computation, and if you have the output set to preview window, it'll display that on screen. It takes a little while to open those pages because as it's going through, it's tagging that computation for you automatically. When the iXBRL computation is rendered, you can scroll through and see all of the detail included within your computation. And it's this iXBRL comp that is attached to the CT600 when filed online.